Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Keith Pascal, UCMDB Worldwide Support Lead. Continuing in this series, we will talk about now the configuration of Grafana. So, to start Grafana, if you're on Windows, you can start the installer, and Grafana is a service. So open up your services and then start Grafana. Once it's started, you can access it via that URL, http://localhost:3000. You'll get something that looks like the Welcome to Grafana page. Now to configure Grafana. Navigate to the Connections menu and click on Add New Connection. Scroll down through the data sources to Prometheus. Click the Add New Data Source button. Enter the following. The name is a unique name for this data source. The default connection is that localhost 9090, but it will point to wherever you've got Grafana installed. The authentication default is no authentication, but if you have hooked up Prometheus so that it does require authentication to log in, then you need to specify those credentials here. The TLS setting, for example, skip TLS certification, needs to be set next. By default, we're using HTTP, not HTTPS. But if you have modified your Prometheus installation to support SSL, then you'll need to specify HTTPS as well as the certificates that you're using. Next, you'll have to select Prometheus as the type, and then select which version of Prometheus you'll be using, and then click Add. Then on the data source, you can click the Explore Data button. Once you select that, select a metric from the drop-down list. For example, customer active equals or data in running thread count. One of the nice things about the way that UCMDB does the collection of the data and it's imported into Prometheus is that you will get a type when you mouse over it, as well as a description of this particular metric that you are looking at. If desired, you can select both a label filter and a value for that filter. For example, customer active equals, we could look at the instance and then a particular server, or you could look at a job and then the job name that's specified in Prometheus. Click Run Query, and you will get a graph of what this particular query will look like. Now we can go on to creating custom dashboards. So use the data from the Explore Data to add to custom dashboards. Click on Dashboards and then New button, and then select a new dashboard, or you can select the ones that exist in Marketplace. You can click Add Visualization. That would be at the top, Add Visualization. And once you add the visualization, you can select some metric with optional label filters, and then click Apply. Once you have your widgets in place, then you can view your dashboard. Next will be a live demo of configuring Grafana to show a dashboard. Thank you very much. Have a good day.